In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily change password on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up any web browser and then go to youtube.com after you are logged in. Top right here, add that to characters and then select request desktop website. Once you've done that, top right here at your profile picture, and then top at settings. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find the view or change your Google account settings. Just tap on it after that. Drag this top menu to the left and top add security. And then we can scroll down until we find password. And after that, first off we need to enter our YouTube password, and on the next step we'll be able to create new one. We can enter our new password here in that field. You must use at least 8 characters, and try not to use a password from another side, or something too obvious, like your pet's name or your birthday. And once you have entered your password, then scroll down and confirm it in the next text field, and then just stop at change password. That's how you can easily change password on YouTube. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.